Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to yet another video on my YouTube channel Mr. BeatXP. And in this video we'll be unboxing the brand new BeatXP EVOKE, and this is how the box looks from the outside. We've got the logo and the watch itself, and here you can see the AMOLED display, 1000 nits of brightness, Bluetooth calling, all that good stuff. On this side there's a branding, and here you can pause to read the details. And here are the special features, like always on display, 200 watch faces, capacious battery, that's funny, 100 sports mode, and the QR codes and everything. Now let's not waste any more time and dive right into the unboxing. So this is how the box comes out, and on top we have got this cardboard separator, and we are greeted with the watch itself. The presentation is quite nice, and I've got the orange and blue belt magnetic. I'll show later on. This is the pogo pin charger. And we have got the usual stickers and all the instruction manuals and everything. These are fairly common at this point. We get them on all of the brands of the smartwatches. Let's pack all of them up right now and focus on the watch itself. So this is the BeatXP EVOKE, and let's just go for the peel over here. And it then looks wise, it's quite good, it's quite professional and good looking. And this is the magnetic band that I went for, orange and blue. So this band is quite unique, as you can see from the looks, as well as it has got this magnetic hold. It's quite strong. Now let's turn it on, and you hold the crown button and it vibrates and it just turns on just like that. And from the display brightness you can feel the 1000 nits. So let's just lower the brightness. Yeah, so as you can see, the 1000 nits of brightness, they weren't joking. On the right hand side we've got a rotating crown. Then there is this action button thing, and there's the speaker, the microphone hole, all the usual stuff. And on the back, the HRSPO2 HR sensor and the pogo pin connectors. And this is the quick release. You can fit any band that you want. So swiping from the left will give you the menu section. As you can see over here, it has got a 60 Hz AMOLED display, quite nice. And you can use the rotating crown also to scroll. So from the right hand side we get the synopsis of the steps and calorie. This is the heart rate, the blood pressure, which is fake, the SpO2. The heart rate and SpO2 works quite well. The sleep tracking, the music player. You can also invoke Google Assistant or Siri from here. We've got games and weather. We've got one game. It is the bird game, which we'll go into detail later on. And here is the sports section. We've got 200 plus sports mode, and long pressing works. Here the crown won't work. You can swipe to change. So there are 6 watch faces which are inbuilt, and when you sync another watch face, there it will go up to 7, but that's it. So total 7 watch faces, and as you can see, the bezels are quite small, and that 1000 nit brightness AMOLED, 60 Hz AMOLED, it's quite good. From the top we get this quick toggle section. This is the torch, this is the sleep timer thing, this is the calling function, this is the keypad, call log and everything. This is an option where you can turn it on and off to receive calls on the phone or on the watch. This is the brightness, and this is how you switch to settings. These are the various menu modes which you can change. So this is the one that we already saw, the list mode. This is our very favorite honeycomb mode. It's very popular, very Apple-esque type menu. And last but not the least, the circle. You can do it like this also, as well as by the finger also, by touching the screen. The choice is yours. And from the below we get the synopsis of the notifications, and as you can see, you can click to go into the details of the various notifications. Right, now let's check out the various options in the menu section. This is the training or the sports. This we already saw. This is the SOS function. You can set it up from the app itself. The calling function, the heart rate, sleep, blood pressure, SpO2 that we already saw from the right hand swipe. These are already given in the menu. Weather, music, nothing special over here, just all of those given in the menu section. This is the alarm clock section. All of these are very common. This is some kind of stress monitoring thing. This is, I guess, the women's health tracking, and this is the breathing exercise option, and this is the bird game. Let's go for a little play. As you can see, the frame rate is very bad, but in the menu section it's 60 Hz. And here are the various functions: stopwatch, timer. These are all very common. Find my phone, flashlight, and you have also got the option for calculator. This is the settings menu. This is the watch face. You can change from here also, as you can see. Then under theme we get the menu options. Always on display. There are two types. This is the digital one, and this is the analog one and digital one. How long the display will keep on, the ringtone sound, volume, you can set all of those up from here. And fair note, the ringtone won't match with the phone. This will have a separate ringtone. And this is the QR code. You can also give password to lock the watch. All of those good functions are present over here. So this is the BeatXP app that you will be requiring to pair it with the watch itself. And I'll quickly go through the registration, and you're presented with the watch. You have to select the model, and a fairly basic process, nothing special that you have to do. And see, EVOKE, it already found it. We will just tap to pair, and it has paired just like that. The pairing is quite seamless, and it never lost Bluetooth connection. So this is the app front page or dashboard, gives you all the details. This is the various functions that you can control for your current watch from the app itself. And this is some kind of eShop center from the app itself, and this is the account. So right, let's focus on the device, various settings that you can control, like turning on and off the notifications for the various apps. At this point, if you have watched any of my other unboxing smartwatch videos, all of these are very common. Like here, you cannot tap the watch to take the picture, but you have to shake the watch. That's quite idiotic in my opinion, because how will you shake the watch if you are wearing it on your hand? But anyway, I get the idea. You can do it in one hand. This is how you add your favorite contacts. You can find the watch itself, and it will ring just like that. Heart rate warning. You can also give upper limit of the heart rate. Also weather and everything you can set up from here. You have to set up from here for the first time, and this is how you get the firmware update. And this is the main attraction of the watch or the app itself, the loads and loads of watch faces, as you can see over here, and all of these are fairly high quality. So as you can see, it has got an endless collection. So we will just sync this one up with the watch and we will get back to you when the syncing has finished. And this is how the watch face looks. You can see the colors are popping and the blacks are really black thanks to the 60Hz AMOLED display. 6 were there and 1 got added, so 7 watch faces in total. So here you can DIY watch faces, you can make your own watch face and everything, you can sync them also. And just look at that vibrant display. So those are all the watch faces that have been stored on the watch, as you can see, including the DIY watch face. So now let's go for the HR and SPO2 testing. And according to my watch, my unit and my testing, HR and SPO2 works perfectly okay. Unlike this watch from Firebolt, the asteroid, check out this video. I'll be linking this video of the Firebolt asteroid unboxing in the description as well as in the iCard up above. Check that out, like, share and subscribe too while you are here at mrbdoeselectronics. I do unboxing on a frequent basis, also do DIY electronics. Consider supporting my channel. So this is the charging test. As you can see, it is very similar to all the other watches that I've unboxed. Pogo pin magnetic charging cable. But the notable thing is that here you will see these are the two types of the Pogo pin charger that are shipped. On the left hand side is the BeatXP, having the pins separated out at quite a bit distance than those of the other more normal like Boat, Firebolt, those Pogo pin chargers. So I hope all of you really enjoyed this video and unboxing of the BeatXP EVOKE smartwatch. And if you have liked this video, consider subscribing. Check out my other unboxing videos on my YouTube channel. I'll be linking to them in the I section as well as in the description below. And in the next video, I'll be unboxing the Fast Track smartwatch under 2000 having AMOLED and calling. So do not miss that. Subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.